Hey, I'm Ernie Svensson, and I want to share some valuable tips for solo and small firm lawyers who are caught in the current grip of this horrendous pandemic. Some of the lessons that I learned during the massive social disruption of Hurricane Katrina are definitely relevant and potentially helpful during the COVID-19 situation. Here are 3 vital things that will help you make better decisions and minimize the effects of disruption. Number 1, be as self-sufficient as possible. The more you're able to function on your own, the better. In a crisis, everyone's busy and resources are taxed to the max. So learn to work on your own from home and learn to find the resources you need when you need to know something quickly and efficiently. And that brings me to number 2. You need to quickly zero in on useful information needles hidden in haystacks of gossip, speculation, and low-value information. Twitter is a powerful tool for quickly and efficiently curating information. And I know because I've used it in every hurricane or disaster since I joined, and it's definitely the go-to tool for savvy information gatherers. Because no tweet can be more than 280 characters, it makes it easy for you to quickly scroll through a stream of posts. But here's where you need to make sure you're only following high-value, well-informed discussions. For example, follow New York Times author Tim Ferriss's specially created Twitter list for news about COVID-19. Here are some examples of what you'll find if you subscribe to this list. You can easily find other curated Twitter lists to follow, but remember, you are self-sufficient and you can curate your own information, and you should. Number 3, virtual collaboration skills. Now is the time to improve how you collaborate with others in a virtual world. There are 2 modes of collaboration or communication. Real-time, or so-called synchronous communication, which is what a face-to-face meeting is, and phone calls allow for synchronous communication when people are not in the same place. But now we can do video calls, and that's often better than a phone call, especially for group meetings. Tools like FaceTime are popular, but they're not built for business use. Learn to use Zoom and consider getting an account because it only costs about $14 per month. You also need to communicate asynchronously or not in real time. And while email is the most popular way to do this, it's not as efficient as the business class chat tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams. If you've never used business class chat, now is the time to learn. Read my online article about Slack and you'll see specific examples of the kinds of chat that happens in a law-related group. All right, this crisis is a huge opportunity for folks who are willing to learn how to work better remotely, how to collaborate better virtually, and more efficiently gather information online. You might have to figure some of this out on your own, but if you want my help, check out my Ernie the Attorney website, or you can also visit my law firm Autopilot website, which is also filled with lots of great resources. Or you can shoot me an email at ernie@lawfirmautopilot.com, and I'll send you a carefully curated list of resources that are very helpful that I put together just for solo and small firm attorneys like you.